Why don't you tell us about the product or products that you want to be showcasing at the AHR next month?
All right. So primarily at AHR, we're going to be showcasing our press products, press fittings, copper and carbon steel. We showcased the copper last year, and we're showing a few additions to the copper line, as well as launching our carbon steel line, 1/2 inch through 4.
Well, very good. So I'm sure the biggest group of attendees you're going to talk to next month are going to be installers, installing contractors, and of course specifying engineers. So I'm just wondering, from those two products or product families, what would be meaningfully different to an installing contractor and a specifying engineer for the products that you mentioned?
Well, when we're talking about the products that we mentioned, just in general, press brings a lot of benefits to ease of installation. That of itself, it's pretty popular these days. I'm sure everybody knows a little bit about it, but
Absolutely.
in regards to our press, it's more about the range that we offer, the full range through copper, trying to be a one-stop shop with all of our press products as we continue developing it.
Mhm.
And we try to pride ourselves on our quality. Everything that we make is made in our own factories in Italy. So
Mhm.
that's what we stand on is our reliability and our quality assurance that
Good.
comes along with that.
No, I tend to think everybody knows press products, and I'm sure a lot of people do in fact know that. But do you find that there's still a lot of people out there that aren't using press products as far as contractors go?
I find that most people are familiar with them for sure. People have their own preferences as far as what they're comfortable with or what they think is a more effective product. But I would say most people are familiar with press
Good. Good.
products these days.
Good. Now, listen, around here we always have the contractor and the engineer and the wholesaler, for that matter, in the front of our minds. But at the end of the day, there's a building owner, building manager, property developer, somebody that says, "Hey, I want that product installed in my building." What
Mhm.
would be the biggest benefit of the products you mentioned to those people?
I would say the biggest benefit of our product is, again, we think our quality is as high as it comes and on the same level. We think that we're at a very competitive price point for the quality that we bring forward. Beyond that, I would say what I've personally seen with our products is our ability to, our quality assurance, our ability to test. We have testing facilities in North America and in Italy. So our liability insurance, start to finish. We provide the product with the highest quality, and if any issues are encountered, we'll handle that ourselves and come together and figure out what happened.
Very good. Now, listen, you mentioned a couple products, but I know there's going to be probably some other things that are going to be on display at your booth. That booth number actually is SL1020, SL1020. What else can attendees expect to see at your booth?
Oh, we have a few other things in there, all different parts of our line that we've had for years, but I'd like to draw attention specifically to our Gibson butterfly valve line. We've been showing it for a couple years at AHR, but it keeps expanding more and more each year, and we'll have some new stuff to show off.
Okay, very good. Well, listen, you and I are talking at the tail end of January, and we've got 11 months left of the year, so we got quite a lot of 2026 left to see. What else can people expect to be coming out of Bonomi in the year ahead?
You can expect growth internationally and here in America. Aldo Bonomi, who owns our company, he's very committed to growth. We've seen a lot of acquisitions and manufacturing over in Italy, and I believe that it's his plan in the near future to expand his manufacturing to the United States.
Good. Okay. Well, we'll be looking forward to some news coming our way from you.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Good, Judge. Well, thanks again for coming on. Again, we've been talking to Judge Carrouth, product marketing manager for Bonomi. Make sure you go see them at booth SL 1020 at AHR Expo next month. Thanks again, Judge.
Yeah, thanks, Steve. I appreciate your time.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.